Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Dictation a Day YouTube series. My name is Dr. Julia Alford. For today, we are going to do a more in-depth tutorial on skips, and we are going to be in compound meter. So grab your piece of manuscript paper and we will get started. For today, we have G minor, and we are in 6/8, and there's only eighth notes. Well, there's eighth notes and quarter notes and dotted quarter, but the smallest note value is the eighth note. So we're taking it easy on the rhythm. And we are going to look at the little skips a little bit more. So let's start with 2 listings for the rhythm. And once we have that, we're going to go ahead and talk about the melody. Okay, so our key is G minor. And we start in Do, way down here. Here we go, 2 listings for the rhythm. 1, la, li, 2, la, li. Good. Second listening for the rhythm. You should be counting out loud with me and keep counting while I'm playing. That will help you get the rhythm down a little bit more. Okay. 1, la, li, 2, la, li. Okay, good. So if you need more listenings, go to the description below and you can click the time code to go backwards and get more listenings. And I'm going to show you the rhythm in 3, 2, 1. Here you are. Okay, so pretty straightforward. If we clap and count it, it would be easy. 1, la, li, 2, la, li. 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 Okay, so now remember we're comparing steps. So stepwise, whole or half step, to skips, which is a movement only of a third. So listen here, try and memorize it, and we're going to do some sing back after we listen this next time. You should have it in your ear a little bit. And see if you can maybe make a mark where there's a skip, or listen just to memorize it, okay? Let's give it a try. 1, la, li, 2, la, li. Okay, good. So now try to sing back just the first measure with me. Do, 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 do. So right off the bat, what are we doing there? Do, I'm going to sing up here. Do, 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 do. We're circling around Do, right? We're just going down and then we're jumping above it and coming back down to it. Do, 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 do. Then what happens? Do, 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 do. So see if you can think through those first 2 measures. Do, 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 do. And the third measure ends on Do. Sing it with me again. Do, 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 do. Got it? Let's keep going. Second listening for the melody. Now, here, see if you can memorize the third measure and maybe even the fourth. Okay, you should have the second measure down. So listen really carefully to the third measure, maybe the fourth measure. 1, la, li, 2, la, li. So let's talk about that third measure. First, before we get there, I'll give you a hint. We are using harmonic minor. So the harmonic minor version of the scale. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So let's talk about the third measure. So we know it starts on do because we've been going do, 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 do. Then what happens? Do, do, do. That's more distance, right? It's more distance than we've had up to now. Well, we kind of end, we started at our low point and end it as high as we've gone, but then we keep going. Do, 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 do. Okay, so think through that a little bit. Third measure, do, do, do. What is that? Do, me, sol. Do, do, do. Then we're just coming down the scale, right? Well, we're gonna come down the scale for the first three notes. Do, 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 do. Skips, skip, step. Oblique, skip, skip. Okay? Listen to it one last time. If you need to back up and grab more listenings, you can do that. But I'm going to play the whole thing one last time and see if you can shore up those last steps versus skips and figure out where you're going and how you get back to do at the end. 1, la, li, 2, la, li. Okay, good. Grab more listens if you need to. Pause, get your answer all set. I'm going to show you the answer in 3, 2, 1. Here you are. Okay, so let's talk about it. Do, ti, re, do. So a little skip, step. Re, mi, sol, fa, mi, re. Now we're going to skip up the one chord. Do, mi, sol, la, ti. This is going to sound like a skip, but it's really it looks like a step on the page, but it sounds like a minor third, right? La, ti, do, stepping down. Do, ti, la, fa, sol. So another skip. Sol, sol, mi, do. We're just going down the one chord. Okay, I hope that helped build your skill level just a little bit. And please do click subscribe and take a look at my website when you get a minute, auraltheory.com. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.